You have defined your true genius in the previous step. Now you take care of your mission and purpose. Let me ask you this one question. What business are you in? Fashion? Depends. If you want to build a strong brand, you are in the business of transformation. It is never about you. It is never about your product. It is always about your client and her transformational experience. In other words, it is about the result that your brand creates for your client. Welcome to Fashion Business Mastermind, the mentorship program that helps you quit fear, get focused, and streamline your fashion business. I'm Julia Antofiev, fashion inventor and manufacturer, 15 years in business, and your mentor on this wonderful journey. Stay tuned until the end of the video and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. So, it is never about you. It is never about your product. It is always about your client and her transformational experience. In other words, it is about the result that your brand creates for your client. You are an angel, a blessing who helps her client to move from where she is to where she wants to be. It happens that you love fashion, therefore you may help your clients with a fashion product, but it does not mean that your brand will be a fashion brand per se. You may add cosmetics or an electronic device to your portfolio in the future if it helps your clients achieve results. If you have never heard about it before, it may sound new. However, I promise you this insight will be the missing link in your business. Or better said, the missing link between your true self and your business.